Chief Minister Conrad Sangma on Thursday said that he would meet the members of Achik group in Tura in his next visit to Garo Hills. The members of Achik are staging a protest demanding a winter capital in Tura. Sangma said that in Tura the government has started the mini secretariat, which is a big step. The Chief Minister also pointed out that the construction of the Governor's House in Tura is nearing completion and it would be made functional within this financial year.
The aspect and the issue of development has always been important to us as an MDA government. And we've also ensured that development is done on a very kind of a broad manner, where all regions and areas are kept in mind while we work towards development issues. So if you look at Tura, now we are just starting the mini secretariat out there. Now mini secretariat is a very big step, and most of the organizations understand the impact of that, and I'm sure that when I sit with the Achik group also, that we will be able to explain to them the impact of mini secretariat.
The HSP